Newcastle United are a goal down at the break on the South Coast. Newcastle United handed Brighton Hove Albion a gift-wrapped lead at the American Express Stadium after wasting some great chances early on. The game turned when Nick Pope's clearance went straight back to the opposition and Evan Ferguson eventually smashed it home. It was double agony for Pope after subsequently spilling Billy Gilmour's shot, which then led to the opening goal. And while United have had chances through Alexander Isak, Brighton have peppered Pope's goal with a dozen attempts in the first half. Read more: Newcastle United learn Champions League fixture list with AC Milan first up. Here's how the players rated in the first half. Nick Pope 5 had made some fine saves before a double blooper handed Brighton a gift-wrapped lead following a poor clearance and fumble. Kieran Trippier 6 being kept on his toes by the very talented Kaoru Mitoma. Fabian Scar 6 forced into a couple of fouls with Brighton strong in the final third. On a yellow card, so needs to tread carefully. Dan Burn 6 restored to the centre but has his work cut out with Brighton creating chance after chance. Matt Targett 6 yet to grasp his opportunity. Sandro Tonali 7 has certainly created a few openings. Joe Linton 7 unlucky with one effort that flew wide. Bruno Guimaraes 7 trying to pick holes in the Brighton defence. Anthony Gordon 6 yet to make a full impact. Needs to be careful after booking for foul on Veltman. Miguel Almiron 6 has been the busier of the two wingers. Alexander Isak 5 presented with 2 huge chances early on.